wire these into the back. These are also burner series, and they contain lead. Made in China. Well, there you go. That explains a lot about these lights. Pick these up cheap and add value to your Jeep. Ta-da! Alright guys, this is the first unboxing I've ever done. I picked up some nice lights from the Princess store. Awesome stuff. They got the best stuff. I guess this is what you would call like a Harbor Freight in America. We can get the same thing at like Lordco or even Canadian Tire. I guess it'd be like your auto parts store, O'Reilly's. I don't know if you have Napa in the United States. Basically auto parts store. So here, check it out. These are the lights we're going to put on the front. We got these platinum burner LED series. Rather, I guess this product contains chemicals including lead. Wash hands after handling. So yeah, these are awesome lights if they have lead in them. White LED racing lights, 2 of them. Pre-terminalized wiring harness, illuminated rocker switch, easy mount system. We're going to try and tie these into the actual driving lights in the bumper. So yeah, here we go. Let's open up the box. It says don't touch them, they have lead. Maybe they just mean LED, like LED. Not sure what it has, LEDs, and not like the toxic chemical lead. Oh look, they bolted them through the styrofoam. Wow, good for you. Alright, let's get one of these bad boys off there. Got some plastic washers and nuts to go with it. So, it's a little cheesy. I actually thought this back piece was metal. I think it's plastic. So at this point I'm not even sure where the lead is located. They must mean LED. So that is some cheese ball wire. No relay. Probably going to relay these off the running lights instead. I probably won't even use those switches. I'm not sure how well sealed that is up in there. The Princess supplied. So, yeah. Probably put one. So there we go. These are lights. Well then, this is the lights. We'll get them mounted on there and then we'll take a look, see what they look like. Tell you forever and ever, that's probably going to be the coolest shit I've seen all week. Oh yeah, you know, you drive ahead of those, we'd be like, wow, I can't believe those lights, they're so round, yellow in the middle, pretty styling. Still got room for other lights. Maybe we had 4 to the front, I don't know. Gotta hide these wires on. Wires need to be hidden, but hey, that's pretty good. Kind of like that. That looks sweet. Now I can add another $500 to $1,000 asking price to that. It's got LED lights on the front, eh? See how that works? You spend like 10-15 bucks and you add like 2-3. Cold start for the Jeep. A little rattly. Now this is it with just the regular headlights. Let's turn on the driving light. That's with the driving lights on. Thank you for watching.